Hi, this is ZTE Blade V50 and I'll show you how to customize AD option on this device. So first open the Muviz Edge app. In AD section you could switch just them to another one. Just click to apply. You could also here add the backgrounds or just change them if you want, just by swap to the up or to the down, tap to apply. You could also change music controls options to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, to show the notifications and show the date with a click of the switchers, and to show battery status always while device charging or just to don't show it. Let's go back, tap to this X icon and switch AD to the settings. Click to always on display to activate or turn off the AD option. You get here the switcher, which you could use. Here we could show it on lock screen always while device charging or on music. We could decrease and increase the brightness level also. We could switch the AD timeout from 5 seconds to never, to switch the low power after timeout, also to change the screen orientation from portrait to landscape and reverse landscape, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint on screen off, to set the shuttle, the start, the on time, and to activate a turn off burn-in protection and pocket modes, and also we could disable the AD option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AD option and now on ZTE phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.